All right, let's see if number 4 is a little bit more difficult. Audio sample number 4.
That better be a gentle injection.
That last little bit, I think we should listen to that one more time. I think you really wait to the end to get the whole vibe of that sound.
If somebody's having sex like that, that's nasty. That's crazy that you would make that noise during sex.
Dylan, what if I told you that was a sex noise?
No.
Yeah,
Is it?
That's sex.
Man?
That's a man. That's a man
embarrassing.
doing something sexy. There's a video attached.
What is he doing?
We can't show you.
What is he doing?
It's a sexual maneuver. I don't know if it has a name. But it's definitely sex. It's definitely sex.
Who do you make pick out these?
It's a job.
Yeah.